If you're tired of sending the same project updates over and over, this video is going to save you hours every single week. Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up Jira Automation, specifically how to create an automatic email rule that notifies your team instantly without you touching a thing. Let's get straight into it. So first, head over to your Jira dashboard. From here, go to Your Work, where you'll see your list of active projects. Make sure you're logged in, especially if you're switching between multiple workspaces. Next, pick the project where you want automation to run. This step is important because automation rules work at a project level unless you're using global rules. Once you've selected your project, look to the left sidebar and click Project Settings. Inside Project Settings, you'll find a menu option called Automation. This is where all the magic happens. Click on it, then choose Create Rule. This opens the automation builder where you'll set triggers, conditions, and actions. Now it's time to choose the trigger, the event that will activate the rule. For this example, select Issue Commented. This means every time someone adds a new comment to an issue, Jira will fire off your rule automatically. Perfect for team leads or managers who want instant updates without digging through tasks. Once the trigger is set, add the action. Choose Send Email. Here you'll enter the recipient. Well, this can be the whole stakeholder list or specific team members. Then add your subject line, something clear like New comment added to issue. For the body, keep it short but informative. And yes, you can use Jira Smart variables such as issue.key, issue.summary, or details about the user who made the comment. These automatically pull in real data so your emails always stay accurate. Before finishing, double check your rule settings to be sure everything looks right. Then give the rule a descriptive name, something like Comment Notification Automation. And finally, hit Turn on Rule to activate it. And that's it. Your project now has a fully automated email system that runs 24/7 and keeps everyone updated without any manual effort. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more productivity and workflow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.